Ka sorkar jela kala Pynkhlain ya ka jingpahara ha keleng ka jela. Si bynta ka jing Pynkhlain na ka bynta ka jing rakhe ya ka Independence Day ka baya ibet ya renti ha ka khat santrik nailar. Sembut Menteri Rangba ka jela ubak mi ya katrat kampo ying ubak Presiden Tensong ha ka khat lai trik nailar. Ulalum ya ka jingelang bat ki kli jung ki district. Na ka bynta ban syong bishar halur ka syong suk syong shengan bat na ka bynta ka jing Pynkhlain ban Pynkhlain ya ka jing pahara. Ngala syong bishar kam halur ka jing Pynkhlain ki bor pahara na ka bynta ka jing rakhe Independence Day bat baro ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki Superintendent of Police kila kular yengi ba ka jing rakhe kan long ka basuk basan bat ka bayai pet ya renti bat ka balat na kino kuno ki jingjia ong ubak Preston haba kren syakilat thai kubor. Watla kaladon ka jingkam halur ka jingduna ki nongwan ya shimbenta ha kini kisnam ki baladam. Henry ubak Preston ulak do ya kini ka jingduna namar ka jing ther jong labba. Bat ong ru ba ka jingwan poy jong ki beriu ka long ka bapunhun ha kini kisnam ki baladam. Kalong ka babakla ladap hi ong bah kini ki arsnam baladam ki beriu kim shimlami banya shimbenta ha ka jing rakhe. Latno haba ther ulabba kata kalong da kumway pan. Haba pipet iki record ka jingmi jing gibriu kalong ka bapunhon shibun ula ong haba pawi ka jing sngos scam ya ka jingmi jing ki babun ki patba ha ka jing rakhe ya ka Independence Day menta usnam kumjo.
At a meeting with all the district heads, as I said to both deputy commissioners and the SPs of all the districts in the state of Meghalaya, where I have reviewed the the coming celebration of the Independence Day, and all the SPs or the DCs has assured us that the celebration will be sure happen peacefully, and I'm sure we will be able to do that, and no incident will happen during the celebration. Well, I think that is wrong. If you say that last 2 years people are not coming to take part in the celebration, I think that is totally wrong. Except if maybe due to heavy rain. If the heavy rain happens, that is different issue. But if you look at this the reports, in fact, the turnout is very satisfactory, and I'm sure in this coming celebration also people will fully take part as a token of gratefulness, as a token of gratitude, of remembering back the fighting that we had to get the independence of our own. Well, instruction has been given. I think it should be well, presented by the concerned department, and we have already even instructed all the concerned department to fully take part in this celebration of independence.